Hi, my name is Jon Schneider. I'm the owner of hdrental.com. We're a rental company located in the Los Angeles area. Today I want to demonstrate the Sony BRC-AM7 PTZ camera. This camera has been out for about a year now, and when it launched, it created a huge buzz in the industry, mainly because of its incredible auto framing and auto tracking capabilities. In simple terms, you can tell the camera how you want to frame a subject, and it will automatically track and maintain that framing even as the subject moves. Most of the AM7 demo videos out there show presenters casually walking around the set to show off the auto framing and the auto tracking features. But today we're going to put this camera through a real test. I'm going to see if it can keep up with me playing tennis against my ball launching machine, which will be firing shots from all angles, side to side, front to back, and across the entire court. Before we get started, I want to thank today's sponsor, TVA Rentals, for providing this AM7 PTZ camera. TVA specializes in multi-camera, cinema-style production solutions for reality shows, sitcoms, live events, and much more. If you need a team that can handle everything from audio and lighting to crewing, engineering, and fully equipped mobile production trucks, give TVA a call today. Okay, so right now I'm being shot by the AM7, and what you are seeing is the live view through the Sony interface. To enable auto framing and auto tracking, just go to the top right corner of the screen and toggle the AFR button. You'll see a green box appear around me. By clicking inside the box, you're telling the camera to track only me. Even if other people walk into the frame, the camera will still lock onto my movement. Once the camera has identified me as the subject, the operator can customize the framing by opening the auto framing panel. From here, you can zoom in or out and define exactly where in the frame you want the subject to remain. This panel also lets you adjust headroom and even lead the subject depending on which direction they are looking or moving. Okay, so we're out of the Sony Live View interface. Now you're seeing me directly on the Sony AM7 camera. And as mentioned before, the camera can casually track a presenter as seen on many demo videos on the internet. And it's actually impressive that a camera can do this. But now we're going to take it a big step further. We're going to turn my ball machine on and see what this camera can really do. So let's do it. So how can the AM7 PTZ camera fit into your production? Even though it isn't part of Sony's Alpha series, it still blends in surprisingly well thanks to its 4K UHD recording and support for S-Cinetone and S-Log3, as well as its familiar menu system. To see how closely it matches other Sony cameras, we shot additional tennis footage using the AM7 alongside the Sony A7S III from the Alpha series and the Sony FX9 from the Cinema line. Keep in mind, the A7S III and the FX9 are full-frame cameras with interchangeable lenses, while the AM7 uses a 1-inch sensor and a fixed lens. One thing I want to mention is that some camera users might be troubled because of the non-interchangeable fixed lens, but there are actually several advantages to this. With the fixed lens, the optics are designed specifically for the 1-inch CMOS sensor, so you get better sharpness, less distortion, and consistent color. All the motors, zoom, focus, and iris, are factory calibrated to work perfectly with the lens, which means smoother moves, faster autofocus, and more accurate exposure. You also get a massive 24 by 480 millimeters zoom range in a compact package. And you avoid all the issues that come with interchangeable lenses, like breathing, hunting, or compatibility problems. Plus, the fixed lens design keeps the camera smaller, lighter, cheaper, and easier to rig. Another question many viewers might be having is, how does the Sony BRC-AM7 PTZ camera compare to the Sony FR7 PTZ camera? That's a topic for a whole other video. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Again, I'd like to thank our sponsor, TVA for making this video possible. If you're producing a large show and need a production company that can handle every aspect, from audio and lighting to crewing and fully engineered mobile production trucks, give TVA a call today. And if you'd like to rent the Sony BRC-AM7 PTZ camera with auto framing and auto tracking, reach out to me, Jon Schneider, at hdrental.com. Again, thanks for watching this video.